Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to connect TradingView to Binance. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, there's a couple of different methods we can try, but the one I like to is by using the trading panel inside of TradingView. Now to access this, go to your charts, and at the bottom of the charts we got a few options. Go ahead and click on the trading panel, and now you should see brokers below that. So I'm just going to make this a bit bigger to find Binance. If you can't find it here, go ahead and click on all brokers and now find Binance. Here it is here, or you can hit Control F on your keyboard, type Binance, and then click on down or up, and then it'll find it for you. So once you go ahead and click onto Binance, a little window is going to appear where it's going to allow you to connect to Binance. So from here, just simply sign in with your Binance accounts, or your account rather, and then approve the connection. Then once you've done that, you'll be taken back to here. You'll see Binance next to replay trading because you're going to be logged in. Now you can place buy, sell orders directly from TradingView, manage O positions from within the chart as well.